Hello everyone, welcome back to Saran Academy. Today we are going to discuss a very common topic. The people want to improve English. Many students say me that sir, I know English but I can't speak English. What can I do? So this is a very common topics. It may be you are finding the same video like this and you have also same challenges. So this is a common challenges. Every people wants to improve English. They know grammar rule, they know English, they can read, they can understand, they learn many vocabulary, but when they try to speak English they feel nervous because problem is lack of practicing. Problem is not your English, your problem is lacking of practice. English is a skill that we be not learn from grammar rule and reading a book. This is a skill. If we practice, then we be able to speak confidently. Think about our driving. You may know driving rule, you know traffic rules, you know the name of different parts, you watch many videos, you read a book about driving. Can you drive a car without actually practice? Your answer will be no. Same in English. We know each and everything, but we need to start speaking. People afraid about mistakes, and mistakes are completely fine in English. This is a normal part of our learning. If you want to improve, so don't afraid from mistake. Mistakes are part of our learning. We can learn from our mistakes. We can observe, we can find a solution. When we will find solution? When will we observe? When you speak, our brain know better than mouth. Our brain want to speak, but when time will come, our mouth will silent, fully silent. So how can we train our brain? Our brain will be trained through practice. If we practice 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day, if we speak, so mind will understand the positive, they will take positive thing and it will start speaking ourselves. Remember one thing, whenever you want to speak, so don't make a translate in our mind. For example, मुझे भूख लगी है, so please don't translate in Hindi to English. मुझे भूख लगी है, directly you say I am hungry. If you need water, you can say I need water. You need go to outside, you can say I go outside. If you are asking, you can ask may I go outside. You need something, help to someone, you can say directly please help me. Don't translate each and every sentence Hindi from English. If we translate, so our brain will be not trained. If we speak directly, then our brain will be trained. And the better thing, you can see around yourself like this and make a simple sentence. If you see a road, you can say that is a road. The people are going, people is riding cycle. This type makes sentence and people are working, they are going, I am going to home, I am going to market, Just make a simple sentence and speak. Mistakes are completely fine, as we know. And you have to speak yourself also. Every day you can speak like 5 minutes, 10 minutes yourself. Suppose that now I'm speaking and you will repeat. I wake up early in the morning. Now your turn. You can speak. I wake up early in the morning. I get ready for my work. Now it's your turn. I get ready for my works. Excellent. I have a breakfast. Now your turn. I have a breakfast. Very good. I go to the market. Please speak. I go to the market. This type of sentence you can make and talk about your daily life. If you want to improve, definitely you will improve. Nothing else. Simple formula. Learn less, speak more. If we follow like this, we will able to speak confidently, and keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving. If you think this video is helpful, so you can like the video and share this video. Those people want to improve their English, so please share with them and they will take benefit. And please subscribe my channel Sanand Academy. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.